Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to compare two crypto tax softwares. First one is Koinly and the second one is CoinTracker. We'll go through some pros and cons, and I'll tell you more about these two products. We'll check the pricing and also we'll try to find out which one is better or which one you should go with. So let's start away with Koinly. Koinly is a crypto tax software offering reliable and simple services. It is available across 20 or more countries and helps users by calculating their cryptocurrency taxes and reducing them. The platform simplifies taxes in 3 easy steps. Users need to add their exchange accounts via CSV or API files and get their blockchain wallets connected through public addresses. They are offered a glimpse of the exact profit or loss earned by Koinly. Lastly, individuals can download detailed tax reports, Schedule D, Form 8949, Tax Act, TurboTax, International Tax Reports, curated by the software. Inbuilt portfolio tracking feature helps them gain a comprehensive view of their total holdings, besides providing a detailed view of growth and ROI over time. Koinly also helps users detect absurd transactions using tools and functionalities like double entry ledger system, auto import verification, missing transactions, and duplicate handling mechanism. Other supported features include compatibility with 50 blockchains, 350 exchanges, 50 wallets, more than 17,000 cryptocurrencies, and historical data or 6+ crypto prices. Koinly is very well known among crypto world. It's meant for small, medium, large businesses and also freelancers, and it's very price friendly, I have to say. When we go down and check the pricing, we see that we have this free option, which is very widely used. It's free forever. It's for 10,000 transactions, unlimited wallets, avalanche trades, DeFi margin, capital gains preview, portfolio tracking, wallets, exchange accounts, but it doesn't include tax reports. Tax reports are included in programs Newbie, Holder, and Trader. Basically, all of them has all the features except in the Trader. You have also email support. You can also check from 3,000 to 10,000 and more transactions, which they're asking $279 per fiscal year or per year. And that's basically the roof what you can order. They are very open with wallets. You have 74 wallets to choose from. For example, software like CryptoTax only offers, I believe, 8. All you have to do is just import the data from your wallet and you'll get through the dashboards, transactions, and then the tax reports. This is the UI of Koinly. And I really like it. It's easy, you can go through and very visible. Also, you won't have any problem doing your taxes like this after you import your wallet. The second one is CoinTracker, which is very similar option to Koinly, but also you have more options. Crypto Portfolio Assistant for accountants, crypto taxes, and enterprise. We are actually looking forward to crypto taxes. Also, 25 free transactions are free. Cost basics and capital gains, error reconciliation, and form support. Then, for hobbyist, 59, premium 179, and unlimited. It's priced individually. So if you're enterprise that's looking forward to get the taxes done, You see all the features in here. That free version doesn't support margin trading and so on and so on. Then hobbyist is basically the same features but 100 transactions. With premium, you also unlocking margin trading, DeFi functionality, tax summary by wallet and email support. And with unlimited, you'll also get concierge support, CPL consultation and custom features. You just have to tell them what are your custom features that you are asking them to do. For 21 taxes, for year 2021 taxes done, it's a little bit more expensive, but also you are paying for a tax year. We also can check the products by crypto portfolio for accountants and enterprise. For enterprise, obviously it's going to be custom option. You see the UI that you can basically operate in. It's also very thorough and you should not have any problems by doing it. So that's about it, guys. I strongly recommend trying to go over the free versions of these two products and then decide. But I would go with Koinly all the way because of the wallets and everything that you can basically integrate in and stuff like that. But if you have more questions, please leave them underneath this video. If you like the video, leave a like or subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.